Hi my dear student, this is second standard mathematics. In the previous chapter we learned numbers up to 1000. So today we are going to learn our next chapter. The chapter name is addition. This is our topics. Here it is mentioned 5 topics. Now we are going to follow according to the topics. So let's begin the first topic. Definition and properties of addition. What is meant by addition? Let's understand what is meant by addition. The addition means when we put two or more numbers together, it is called addition. The sign of addition is plus. Here look at the example. How many apples are there in the basket? Here we see in the basket 1 there are 7 apples. And in the basket 2, there are 4 apples. Now we add 7 and 4. Let's find out the total numbers of apples. To add 7 and 4, we can count forward 4 steps from 7. 7 and 4 can be written as 7 plus 4. Now look at the number line representation. Start at 7, count forward 4 steps to get 11. Let's count forward 4 steps. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now we get the numbers 11. That is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Addition sentence, the number added are called addends. The answer to the addition is called sum. Next, let's solve the another example, properties of addition. Let's understand what exactly it means, the first property of addition, which is adding of 0. When you add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Let's take sum of a number, for example. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. 19 plus 0 is equal to 19. Next, to understand the second property, which is adding 1. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. Here we take a number, for example, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Now again, let's understand the third property, which is order of addition. Number can be added in any order, their sum remains the same. Let's take a number, for example, 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. And 1 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this is our first topic, definition and properties of addition. I hope you understand about this topic. Now, let's go for the next topic, addition of 3 numbers on the number line. Let's understand about this topic. Here the question is mentioned. Let's solve the question. Rina has 3 pencils. Her brother gave her 2 pencils and her sister gave her another 4 pencils. Now how many pencils Rina does have in all? Here we see the number line representation. Start at 3, count forward 2 steps to get 5. Let's count forward 2 steps. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 1 step. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 2 step. The number 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then 5 count forward 4 steps to get 9. Now again let's count forward 4 steps. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 1 step. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 2 step. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 3 step. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 4 step. The number 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now here the number is 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. So the Rina has all total 9 pencils. Let's go for another example. Addition of 3 numbers by grouping. Here we see the question. What is the question? The question is, Ravi has 6 chocolate. His brother gave him 5 chocolate and his sister gave him another 3 chocolate. Now, how many chocolate Ravi does have in all? Let's understand and find out the sum. Ravi add 6 and 5 chocolate to make 11. Then again, Ravi add another 3 chocolate to make 14. Now, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Now, Ravi has total 14 chocolate. Now, let's go for the next topic. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers without regrouping. Let's go to understand this topic. What is the question? The question is, Rahul bought 13 blue balloons, 12 orange balloons and 10 white balloons. Now, how many total balloons did Rahul buy in all? Let's understand this question with 3 steps. First, arrange the addend one below the others, the number based on the place value. We see the number 13 below 12, 12 below 10. Now, step 1, 3 plus 2 plus 0 is present in the unit ones column, and 1 plus 1 is present in the unit of tens column. So we should know how to do addition. Whenever we start the addition, first start always from the ones column. That means start from right side. Step 2, what are the digits has present in the unit of ones? That is 3 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 5. Next, to forward in the unit of tens is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Step 3, finally the number 3 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 5 is present in the unit of ones column. Now we write 5 in the unit of ones. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 is in the unit of tens column. Then we write 3 in the unit of tens column. Now, as per this question, the sum of this number is 13 plus 12 plus 10 is equal to 35. So the Rahul bought all the total 35 balloons. Let's solve the another example. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers. What is the question here? The question is 25 children, 12 women and 10 men went to a zoo. How many people in all visit the zoo? Now let's calculate the number of people. 25 children, 12 women, 10 men. First, here arrange them one below the other based on the place value. Step 1, look at the step 1. Now add the digit in the unit of ones. 5 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 7. And we see in the unit of tens column 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now let's go for step 2. Add the digit in the unit of tens. 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the digit 5 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 7 in the unit of ones. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 in the unit of tens. Now the number 25 plus 12 plus 10 is equal to 47. So all the total 47 people are visited the zoo. Now let's go for the another topic. Let's understand about this topic, addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. What is regrouping means? The regrouping is the process of making group of tens when adding two-digit numbers. The another name's regrouping is carrying. Now let's understand how exactly it means regrouping ones. Here we take example. Add the number 39 and 28. Write the number in the tens and ones column. Look at the step 1. Add in the ones column 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 ones. That the 17 ones is 1 tens and 7 ones. The place value, we can't put two-digit number in the single column. So they carry 1 tens to the tens column. And write down 7 in the ones column. Now look at the step 2. Add in the tens column 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6 ones. Write 6 in the tens column. So we got that answer as 67. That is 39 plus 28 is equal to 67. Now let's solve one more example, addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Now let's understand about regrouping ones and tens. Let's take the question. For example, what is the addition of 98 and 59? Find out the sum of the digit 98 plus 59. First, we arrange the digit based on the place value. Look at the step 1. Sum of the one digit 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 ones. Regroup 17 ones is equal to 1 tens and 7 ones. Thus, write 7 in the ones column and write 1 in the tens column. Now look at the step 2. Sum of the tens digit is 1 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 15 ones. 15 is equal to 1 hundredths and 5 tenths. So write 5 in the tens column and write 1 to its left, that is in the hundred columns. Now we got the number as 157. The number 98 plus 59 is equal to 157. Let's go for the next topic. Addition of three two-digit numbers with regrouping. Now let's understand about this topic with regrouping ones. Here the example, the question is Rohit has bought 19 mangoes, 18 bananas and 16 apples. Now how many fruit are there all together? To find this sum, arrange them one below the other as shown. Look at the step 1. Sum of the one digit is 9 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 23 ones. Regroup 23 ones, that is 2 tens and 3 ones. Thus write 3 in the ones column and write 2 in the tens column. Carry over 2 tens to the tens column. Now step 2. Sum of the 10 digit is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is 5 is in tens column. Now write 5 in the tens column. So we got the number as 53. The number 19 plus 18 plus 16 is equal to 53. So Rohit bought 53 fruits all together. Now let's understand another example. Addition of three two-digit numbers with regrouping. Now let's solve and understand about the regrouping ones and tens. Here we see the question. An example. What is the question? The question is, there are 98 red pencils, 89 green pencils and 48 blue pencils. Now how many pencils are there altogether? Here we see the numbers 98 plus 89 plus 48. To find this sum, arrange them one below the other as shown. Look at the step 1. Sum of the one digit 8 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 25 ones. Regroup 25 ones, that is 2 tens and 5 ones. Thus, write 5 in the ones column and write 2 in the tens column. To carry over 2 tens in the tens column. Next, step 2, look at the step 2. Sum of 10 digit 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 23 tens. 23 is equal to 2 hundreds and 3 tens. So, write 3 in the tens column and write 2 it left that in the hundreds column. Now the number 98 plus 89 plus 48 is equal to 235. So thus the total number of pencils is 235. I hope you have understand all this topic, the chapter of addition. So more practice at home and take care. Thank you.